Trump says he is leaving Walter Reed Medical Center within the hour now. And here to discuss that with us is Dr. Simone Wilds, an infectious disease specialist at South Shore Hospital. Thanks for being with us.
Oh, thanks for having me, Emily.
So let's talk about this timeline just a bit. On Friday, the president announced this positive test. Hours later, we learned that he developed a fever, that there was shortness of breath, breathing trouble. His doctors have prescribed these medications usually reserved for the sickest patients. So what is your reaction today to news that he's feeling great, that he's going to be going back to the White House?
I'm very happy that he is feeling great. However, I'm really concerned because COVID-19 is unpredictable. And so I don't know how he's going to do once he gets back to the White House. So there's a lot of monitoring that needs to be done, especially his respiratory status. I'm really concerned.
And that's something they've said they're going to be doing, even though he will be, at the White House. You've treated dozens of patients with COVID-19. What have we learned about this progression of the disease after someone shows significant symptoms?
So what we have found is patients that have severe illness, about day 7 to day 10, then they get into this immune inflammatory response where they can get really quick suddenly.
Yeah.
And need to be on a ventilator. We have to watch their blood pressure. Really very concerning. And of course, we want the best for the president.
Right.
So that makes me really concerned about him going to the White House at this time after all these therapies.
And his personal physician saying he's not out of the woods yet. So, putting a period on that. As you know, the positive test rate here in the state, that continues to rise. That 7-day average remains over 1%. That's the 7th day in a row now. What are your concerns about that as we head into flu season?
It makes me really nervous. Can you imagine flu and COVID colliding together, as they say, the twindemic?
Right.
Oh, it's going to be such a heartbreak because the symptoms for flu and COVID are very similar. What I want to make sure I encourage everyone to do, get a flu shot.
Yeah.
Really important this year more than ever.
Let's talk about sports for a second here. One of those new cases did involve Patriots quarterback Cam Newton. He announced his positive test Saturday. So according to the team, other players tested negative overnight. They left on those planes this morning for tonight's game. Is that enough time to know whether the infection could have spread?
To be honest, based on the CDC guidelines, we usually would quarantine them for a longer period of time. I think it's a little early, but not having all the details,
Yeah.
I would say I'd probably wait a little longer before the other players go to the game.
All right.